enter the eerie domain of Lumen Spiritus, where the veil between worlds is thin and the whispers of the occult echo through the darkness. Brace yourself for a journey that will take you deep into the murky depths of the enigmatic and the unknown. Here, in this realm, enlightenment and terror intertwine in a chilling dance of existential curiosity and dread. As we delve deeper into this video, we're here to unravel an intriguing question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers alike for ages. Can particles and interactions account for consciousness? This tantalizing question poses a challenge to our understanding of reality and compels us to go beyond the boundaries of conventional wisdom. We request your support in our endeavor to explore such profound questions. By donating to our channel, you're not just helping us grow, you're becoming part of our journey into the unknown. What if we told you that the essence of who you are, your thoughts, your memories, your consciousness, could be boiled down to a handful of fundamental particles and forces? A mind-boggling proposition, isn't it? Yet the reality of our existence might be intrinsically tied to these fundamental building blocks of the universe. Consider this. Everything within the known universe, including us, stems from the same building blocks. Cells break down into organelles, organelles decompose into molecules, molecules into atoms, atoms into electrons and atomic nuclei, and these nuclei in turn are composed of quarks and gluons. Theoretically, we should be able to take these basic particles, quarks, gluons and electrons, and arrange them in such a way that they can explain all phenomena we encounter in life, including consciousness. Yet the question is still unanswered. How do these simple building blocks and four fundamental interactions result in something as complex as a conscious human being? Is consciousness just a byproduct of these interactions, or is there more to the enigma? Can such a phenomenon truly be the result of natural conditions with a dash of random chance? Take a closer look at the particles of the Standard Model, which embraces all the identified components of our universe, not counting the mysterious dark matter and dark energy. This model represents the most comprehensive and accepted theory in the world of particle physics. It presents a framework that categorizes particles into two primary groups, fermions and bosons. Fermions are the essential building blocks of all matter around us. They further subdivide into quarks and leptons. Quarks, the particles that bind together in a triad, are responsible for creating protons and neutrons, and indeed all the composite particles. Their intriguing property of color charge leads to this binding, following the rules of quantum chromodynamics. This attribute is unique to quarks, and is the reason behind the formation of complex matter. Leptons, on the other side of the fermion family, are also quite fascinating. They include charged leptons like electrons, which bind to protons and neutrons, forming atoms, the basic unit of chemistry. Electrons orbit around the nucleus, creating an electrically neutral entity and making up the bulk of the atom's size. Leptons also include neutrinos, elusive, low-mass particles that hardly interact with anything, passing directly through matter almost undetected. These ghostly particles hold potential clues to some of the biggest mysteries in physics. Then we have bosons, the second category. These are the force carriers in the universe, mediating all known non-gravitational forces and interactions between particles. The bosons come in 12 different varieties, each with a specific role in enabling the forces that hold our universe together. They are grouped into 4 classifications based on the force they mediate. Photons, for instance, are responsible for electromagnetism, a force that governs the behavior of charged particles. The W and Z bosons are mediators for the weak nuclear force, responsible for radioactive decay. The gluons, as their name suggests, are the glue of atomic nuclei, mediating the strong nuclear force that holds protons and neutrons together. And then we have the elusive Higgs boson, a particle that gives other particles their mass by interacting with the omnipresent Higgs field. Comprehending these particles and forces gives us insight into the complexity and beauty of life, including consciousness. It provides a glimpse into the microscopic world that underpins all the visible and tangible matter. But even with this intricate knowledge, the puzzle is far from complete. How do these particles and forces interact and intertwine to create the complexity of a conscious mind? It's a question that continues to intrigue and challenge scientists and philosophers alike. And to summarize, consciousness, as complex as it is, may well be a product of the fundamental particles and forces that constitute the universe. These energies, the most basic elements we know of, interact in intricate ways that we are only beginning to understand. Fermions and bosons, the primary building blocks of matter and pioneering mediators of forces, play an integral part in creating the astonishing complexity of life. Their dance, a cosmic ballet of formation and destruction, an unending cycle of existence, is at the heart of everything we are and everything we perceive. These particles, in their myriad interactions, create the structures of atoms and molecules, cells and tissues, bodies and brains. They are architects of existence, sculptors of reality. Each one, though small and seemingly insignificant, plays a part in the grand tapestry of the universe, contributing to the whole in ways we are only beginning to fathom. Yet, the question of how they combine and interact to create consciousness remains a profound mystery. This enigma, this paradox of existence, is something that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. How does inanimate matter, the stuff of rocks and stars, give rise to thought, to emotion, to the perception of beauty or the sting of pain? Despite the challenges, human curiosity propels us forward, ever closer to unraveling the enigma of consciousness. This quest, this thirst for knowledge, is what drives us, what pushes us to the very limits of our understanding and beyond. Each new discovery, every breakthrough brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe, to grasping the nature of our own existence. There is a plethora of fascinating and mind-bending topics coming to our channel. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Lumen Spiritus for even more captivating mysteries. Additionally, consider supporting our channel by donating via the PayPal link below. Stay tuned for our next video.